Senpai Willy, and today I'm gonna teach you how to do a Mawate. So first, we're gonna do a front stance, Sengusu Dachi first. Okay. Now, if you want to do a Mawate, we will first need to make a turn with using our back leg. First method, you can see our leg must cross, our back leg must cross our front leg. Obediently. I'll show you another side. One point to do a Mawate is to turn your head first. Then you move your body, use your leg, go across. See? Move your body, move your leg, and turn. This is the method one of doing a Mawate. So the second method of doing a Mawate is to move your back leg. Yeah. We're still using our back leg to turn, to make the switch become a musubi dachi, then we come up to become a front stance. We will need to use our back leg to drive forward to make the switch. Okay, so the third method, still using the back leg drive too, but only with Niko Ashi Dashi. See, I'm doing this move. See, I was in the Niko Ashi Dashi, then I drive forward. This is method 3. So the fourth method to do a Mawate is what we see in the kata, Taikyoku Shodan. Normally we will do Oizuki, then we turn and do again. But this is also a Mawate, but it's using a front leg doing the Mawate. We drive our front foot compared to three just now 3 method. So I will do it this side also. And in the front. Okay, I will use this leg to drive forward, drive backward. Okay, that's all for my Mawate tutorial.